The results from this new AI video generator are insane. Also, this AI tool is very beginner-friendly. The most important thing is that this AI tool is available on Windows, Android, iOS, and as a web app version. In this video, I will show you how to use the new AI avatar technology from Wondershare to easily create a YouTube news channel in any language and topic you want. So let's get started. You will need a Wondershare account to use Wondershare Verbo AI. Go to the Wondershare official website from the link I provided in this video's description. Click the Sign In button, then click Create an Account, and you can continue using Google, Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or any email account. Now download and install Verbo AI. Go to the Wondershare Verbo AI official website from the link I provided in this video's description. Click the free download button to start downloading the Verbo AI installer. Open the installer file and follow the installation instructions. Wait for the process to complete. Open your Wondershare Verbo AI and log in using your Wondershare account. Now you have to choose niche and news sources. Let's use Google Bard to analyze evergreen and highly searched news niches. Type analyze the top 10 evergreen and most searched niches for a YouTube news channel. In this example, I will choose the science and technology niche. Now let's ask Google Bard AI to list the top 10 websites that provide daily news on science and technology. Choose the best website you want, then copy the article. Go back to your Wondershare Verbo AI app. Navigate to the video templates page. Type news in the search bar and select the desired news video template. Click the Create Video button to generate your video and open the Verbo AI editor page. On the left panel, you will see your scenes you can add, delete, and duplicate scenes from this panel. Make edit if needed. Now let's choose your AI avatar. Click the Avatars button. Select your avatar and click the OK button to use this avatar in your current scene. Or activate Apply to All Storyboard before clicking OK button to use this avatar in all your scenes. Resize your avatar to match the screen size. Wondershare Verbo AI also provides sitting avatars that are suitable for a newscaster, which you can use if you want. Now click the AI script button and paste your article or news script. Use the Smart Optimization function to rewrite your article into a new version. You can choose the writing style you want. In this example, I will use an engaging style. After you're satisfied with your news script, click the Apply button. If you want to translate the news script into a new language, you can use the AI translation feature. Click the AI translation button and select your target language. Click Apply to use this translation. Verbo AI will automatically detect your AI script and set the language for the AI voiceover settings. To customize the AI voice, click the language option, select the best voice that matches your AI avatar, and click OK to save this change. You can set the speed, pitch, and volume if needed. You can turn on or off auto subtitles by clicking the subtitle option. Click the Play Script button to preview your AI video voiceover. To make our news more interesting, let's add a video related to our news. Create new scene by clicking plus button on the scene panel. Upload your video by clicking the Import button. After that, right-click on the video and select the Move to Bottom option. Then you can add or move your news script. Now let's add a news intro to our video. Create a new blank scene by clicking the plus button on the scene panel. Go to Canva, click on the Create Video menu, search for News Intro, and choose your preferred video. Right-click and select Set as Background. Click Share, then choose Download and select the desired format and resolution. After that, upload your intro video by clicking the Import button. Drag our intro scene to the first position. Click the Preview button to review our AI video. If everything looks good, click the Export button to start rendering our AI video. Wait for the video rendering process to complete. Click the Download button to save your AI-generated video to your local computer. Here are the results from this AI video generator for an AI news channel tutorial.
TikTok and Meta have been formally told to provide the EU with information about the possible spread of disinformation on their platforms relating to the Israel-Gaza conflict. Previously they were given 24 hours to provide answers to the bloc's concerns, but that request did not carry legal force, whereas this latest demand does. Both firms have a week to respond. Under its new tech rules, the EU can open a formal investigation if it is unsatisfied with their responses. The EU is concerned about the possible spread of terrorist and violent content and hate speech after Hamas' attack on Israel.
Thank you for watching this AI video generator tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my work.